Oh, it's like the first time I've sat all day. Lime Rock was a very, very short and sweet weekend. We were only racing there for about 2 days in total, so it kind of flew by, honestly. But even in the short amount of time that we were there, it was still such an experience, and I grew as a driver tremendously. Lime Rock was a short and sweet 48 hours.
We're here at Lime Rock Park, October. Not sure why we're here in the middle of October, but it's beautiful. See all the colors, everything hanging out here. Chilly little morning. Back at it after a little bit of a break from Road America. Pretty excited.
I'm cold. I'm ready to get out there, go run some laps, feel the track, feel the car on the track. It's a new track, so just kind of taking baby steps and go from there.
Kale's going to be working with the new coach this weekend. He's going to be working with Craig.
Looking to get Kale up to speed a little quicker here this weekend and use some of my knowledge of these cars to help get them up to pace a lot faster than we have been this season, and looking for a good result for him this weekend.
I think it's going to be a good opportunity for Kale to pick up some speed, learn some new ideas, and kind of set the bar pretty high for himself this weekend.
We did some setup adjustments to the car. We're running pretty good. I feel good about the race. I'm in a good mood. I think this will be a good race. I think it'll be exciting, it'll be fun. It's such a small track, everything goes by in the blink of a second, so you're always on your toes when you're driving here.
Welcome to Lime Rock Park, home for round 5 of the Miles Cup and Parnelli Cup championships of the Ford Mustang Cup North America 2025 season.
Race 1 of the Parnelli Cup was me and Chase back at it again. Only this time I felt more secure in a lot more of my patience and my moves on track, so I was trying to do more aggressive moves than I would usually do, and yet also be patient to wait and see if there was a mistake made so that I can reap the rewards.
Oh, a little bit of an over-under coming out at turn number 2. Kale Buell starting to put the pressure on that bright green number 4 car.
Him and I were battling out the entire time, and it was a lot of fun.
Oh, that's pretty wide there. That's a mistake from Chase Cochran through West Bend. That opened the door for Kale Buell. Slips down the inside. Let's see if he can put the power down on the front straightaway. This is the back half of the pass that you need to secure. Chase Cochran already got the run down the front straightaway. He looks to the inside, out brakes Kale Buell down into Big Bend.
He's a quick driver. I mean, especially in the beginning, I was making sure to stay as close as I could to him and make something happen, but he's fast.
But just an awesome duel between these drivers.
Chase ended up going pretty deep on his braking and pushing too much speed through one, and his car ended up coming off a little bit.
Oh, that's a mistake out of Chase Cochran in turns 1 and 2. Just way too fast. That opens up the door for Kale Buell.
So that allowed me to take my inside line and then just keep pushing hard through the entire last 5 laps or so.
There goes Kale Buell. Chase Cochran rounding out the podium.
Oh my God. How was that?
That was unbelievable. I'm cold.
All right, we're here in Lime Rock, Connecticut for day 2 of the Mustang Cup. Just got through race 1 yesterday with Kale over here, and he did an amazing job. Really took instruction well. We worked on a couple of racecraft things that really, I think, assisted him in the race. We got some more work to do this morning, but I think we're going to be right on pace today.
just work more on my craftsmanship and what I have, and then apply that to qualifying and see where I can place myself in the race today.
It was really cold this morning. I went out on yesterday's tires still, so they've had a qualifying and a race on them, like just to get some time in, and it was really hard to get heat in the tires. So it got moves a little bit loose. Yeah, it was fun today. It was good.
Will is kind of in a league of his own, and I respect him so much as a driver, but even being able to get second place in the championship, in both championships, my first year of driving, would be a tremendous honor. I got down to a 58.8, which is nice because these are pretty used tires, so the fact that I was able to get to that level is, I don't know, I like it.
Welcome to Lime Rock Park. Yesterday was dominance put on full display by Will Lucas, but today is a brand new day. There goes the hammer down. Green flag for the Mustang Cup at Lime Rock Park. You see Will Lucas already move over to the right side of the racetrack.
The Parnelli Cup race on Saturday was another doozy in of itself. I had the same situation where I was kind of battling out the entire race, but instead of Chase, I was battling with Nick again. Yeah, so this would be our third quarrel now.
Oh, that was pretty deep out of Kale Buell, but he gets the car stopped by Apex. He is getting more and more antsy to try to snag away this third place position.
During that race, he was very defensive with a lot of his moves.
Still, the best battle on the racetrack is Kale versus Nick on the front straightaway here.
It was hectic to say the least. There was a lot of close calls, and it was a lot of passes that could have been made but weren't.
Oh, that was a good run from Kale. You see him kind of get a little anxious going into West Bend.
That was a true battle of a race.
The sand is starting to run out of the hourglass for Kale Buell.
And then I got caught up behind Nick, and then I was stuck behind him the majority of the race.
Can Kale Buell maybe force a mistake? He's got a run coming through the downhill. Nick Smithers gonna leave the door open. No, he decides to shut it. What about the drag race to the line? The shift from fourth to fifth. Nick Smithers is gonna hang on to third place overall. Second for Kale Buell, the dark horse class.
So I ended up getting an Apex award as well during the weekend, which was amazing. Overall, it was fun. I mean, it's such a short track, but it has so much value to it. It was really fun. It was enjoyable.